Today from the Skulltimate Secrets line, I'm going to be unboxing the Garden Mysteries from Monster High. This is the very first one I got, so of course I went with Draculaura because she's my favorite. I just wanted to show off the packaging because I love the illustrations. I think they do a really good job with the artwork and the packaging. This is what it looks like when you open up the packaging. I think they did a really good job designing the locker. And again, I just really wanted to show off every little bit of detail as much as I can. And this is the key, which I think is super gorgeous. You can use the key to reveal some of the hidden secrets and messages that's on the packaging, but I usually just skip that. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the first door. And just right quick, here is the instructions on how to unbox this set. The very first item that I got is this really cute teacup. And if you look, there's like little hearts on the little steam. And then I love the bat design on the cup. Here is some hangers, which is really cute. I love the design on it, and I love the skulls. In the next bag, I got that little stand for a key, a hook, and the next one is her purse, another part of the key, and the purse is really cute. I love the design again, the little bats, the little heart, and I did a close-up of the items so you can see how detailed they are. And this actually opens up, which is pretty cool. Here is her earrings. I really like that it's see-through. It gives me like ghostly effect. So in the next door, we have 3 outfit pieces. We have a skirt that's really velvety. We have this sheer top with reddish, pinkish spider webs on it. And this cute bow. And then we have this corset that's like velvety. I think all pieces are really cute. And then we also have these heels. Very, very cute. And there is some more spider webs on that design. And for the last bag, we got a rose piece that has a vampire mouth, and then we have some cupcakes. The cupcakes were really cute. Like I said, I like every little detail, even down to the cake, the cupcake stand. And this little bar is to hold the hangers and outfit pieces. So this is the little key that you'll use to lift up the elevator. Shown here. I had to do it with one hand, so it was a little hard. But she pops out just like that. And again, I wanted to show the design and the elevator. I just love it so much. And then here is her boots with the bat wings and her tights. I didn't end up using. I'm going to actually order some tights online. And I think she's gorgeous. I really love, like, I'm used to Draculaura having some bangs, so it's definitely weird to see her without bangs, but I think she still pulls it off well. So, no complaints here. So here is what I actually put together. I really like the outfit. It's really cute in my opinion. And then I wanted to show some details of little pieces that my friend told me about, so I wanted to show you all. So if you look on the bottom of her boots, which I'm going to do a close-up of her boots in just a second, there is silhouettes of her first doll, her core doll on the left, and then on the side I forgot what they're called, but the refresh dolls, I guess you would say. The one with the black cat. It has a silhouette of her right there. It's kind of hard to see. I was trying to zoom closely so you can see it, but her earrings also have that as well. It's hard to see, so I used to flash it. Hopefully you can see, but when you see it in person, it's just one of those extra details that really make the doll and accessory special. I love how Monster High designs their boots, their heels, and whatnot, their shoes. They get really detailed. So here's everything put inside the locker. They are clunky, but I think they're cute. And here's a little piece. It came off, but it holds her in place. And also on the outside, there's a little hook that you can attach her to. And you can pose her outside the locker. So I love this one. I hope you enjoy.